Welcome to Denny's Roofing, LLC Denver, your trusted local roofing expert in Denver, Colorado. Looking for secure, great-looking roofs for your home or business? You're in the right place. Our team specializes in high-quality roofing solutions tailored to Colorado's unique needs. From residential to commercial projects, we've got the expertise to deliver. Experience a stress-free roofing process with us. We'll handle the rough parts for you. Need a reliable roofing partner? Look no further than our experts. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We strive to exceed your expectations. Trust our experienced team to protect your property with durable, long-lasting roofs. Call us today at 970-545-0020 for a free consultation and estimate. Visit dennysroofingllc.com/Denver Roofing Company to explore our services and projects. Elevating roofs, elevating standards, our tagline reflects our commitment to excellence. Let us take care of your roofing needs so you can focus on what matters. Join our satisfied customers who rely on us for reliable, professional roofing services. Your roof is in good hands with Denny's Roofing, LLC Denver. Contact us today to get started.